Hey, good afternoon. This is Glen from Good Works Auto Repair in sunny Tempe, Arizona. Today we had a van come in, 2015 model Nissan van, and this vehicle historically has had a couple of problems with the fan motor needing to be replaced, the blower motor for the rear air conditioner, and we got a good look at it today, or actually about a week ago, and we decided that there's got to be an underlying cause for that to happen. And so what we have in front of me here is what we call the evaporator core. The refrigerant runs through this little radiator-like looking thing, which is called the evaporator core. And as the refrigerant runs back and forth through these tube assemblies, the air blows through it from the fan, and then it pushes that cold air out into the van. And so as you can see here, we have a little bit of a problem. There's an accumulation of human hair, animal hair, God only knows. This is a hotel van. You can see this as I'm debreeding, if you will, some of this material that is clung. This actually becomes very moist as the air conditioning makes condensation or moisture build up on here, and everything that gets sucked into this vent ends up in this little core. So essentially, I'm gonna show you what the new one looks like. This is a new one. This of course has no contamination, but as I hold these up, you can actually see, I can see light, and I can see Rayanne, my lovely wife, through this one here, and I can't see anything. I can't see light, and so if you can't see light, no airflow can come through there. So the passengers in this hotel's van are complaining that, hey, it's hot back here and the blower's not working right, and so on. And so it's actually caused the failure of a couple blowers because it can't move air through there, so it overheats the blower motors and it causes them to fail. So this hotel has spent several $100s, probably over $1,000 now, replacing 3 blower motors in there, when actually the underlying cause was plugged up evaporator core. So having filters serviced in these things, these evaporators exist in every vehicle that's got air conditioning, so it's important to get the filter service. This one actually is designed without a filter. Shame on Nissan for not making a filter, a filtration device, to help keep this stuff from getting inside of that car. But that's the way it is, and at this point they're going to spend about another $1,000 having this piece here replaced in their vehicle. But it's wise to change filters when they're recommended, and this can actually be physically flushed out periodically, probably every couple of years, with probably some pressurized water and some cleaner to try to keep that thing clean. So Glenn Hayward again from Good Works Auto Repair saying have a great afternoon and keep cool.